Howdy YouTube, welcome back to What's Gary Doing. Today I bought a package from China. It's a 7 LED color changing faucet adapter. Apparently they went way all out on the packaging. Well, yeah, not much in there, so we'll cut it open and we'll try it out and see how it looks on the sink. Ooh, very boring packaging, but that's fine. Okay, bottom of it, we got a couple of holes for the aerator. It appears to be made out of plastic, but it's chrome looking. There's a screen in there and already a rubber O-ring. So let's take off our faucet and see how it looks. So right now we get this kind of water flow from our faucet. So we're just going to take a damp rag and grab onto this and hopefully turn it off, twist it off. If yours doesn't twist off, you can use a pair of pliers, but still use a damp rag to twist it off with. Oh, for my rubber grommet. That doesn't go on there. Does it go on that? No. Goes on that side. Alright, well, doesn't go on this faucet. You need a faucet adapter. Probably want my O-ring back in there. Let's see if we have some cool light. See what it does. Hopefully it doesn't leak too much. And it leaks a little bit, but not bad. I don't have another O-ring to add to this right now. Yes. Okay, so I went out to the garage. I grabbed a couple grommets, little O-rings. Let's see if this helps fix my water overspray. Take that off. That one fits pretty good. Screw that one on. So you may need to provide an extra O-ring to seal this up.
And the sink adapter.
And the sink adapter, correct. Helps get it lined up straight when you do your threads. Okay, seeing it's just plastic, we're not putting it on there too tight. That's what we got O-rings for. There we go. That is some magic LED faucet picture. For $1.99 off of eBay. Pardon me, $1.97 plus free shipping. All the way from China Post. Let's see where this comes from. Zingming. I don't know. Came from a long ways away. Well, I hope you like this product. I think for $1.97 it was a good purchase. Does exactly what it needs to do. No batteries required. So I hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and yeah, please, once again, subscribe. You get more of these videos coming along. I got all kinds of stuff coming from China. You know, little cheap little stuff. See if it's worth the purchase. So like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you. Till next time.